This is not just a garden. Yeah, man. This is where I learn patience, healing, purpose. And if you are new here, welcome to Herbalawes. So my name is Laws. Herbalawes is more than just a name. It's a lifestyle. Love for nature. Yeah, man. Jamaican roots. Yeah, man. What's up? Wagwan. Passion for herbs. Yeah, man. Passion for herbs and wisdom. I didn't just wake up one morning and start gardening. It started from, observation, life experience. Yeah, it started from, observing my mom. My mom loved plants. She loved plants. Yeah, my mom loved plants to the extent that she used to love grow creeper plants. When she grew them, she would put them inside the house and she would clean them down and rub Vaseline on them. That's how much she loved plants to the extent. So my experience or my love for gardening start from there. Now I develop the love for herbs, as a youth going to school and, I experience issues that people going through. Yeah, this is a true story. I remember, going to school and a brethren of mine came to me one time, and he was saying that, something happened to me, you know, and that issue was in those time you call it gonorrhea. So listening his story, yeah, and remembering things that the elders talk about were good for issues such as that, you know, my love for herbs developed from that experience. So with that experience, growing up around herbs, yeah, my mom using herbs like lemongrass, otherwise called fever grass. Those simple herbs, yeah, when you come down with flu, you mean simple herbs like leaf of life. Learning later that my grandmother's dad was an herbalist. My aunt, my late aunt, yeah man, she loved the whole spiritualism, herbs and all them things. So all of those things allow me to develop the love for gardening and the love for herbs. But most of all, my experience as a child growing up was helping people. And later I realized that my purpose is to serve. Yeah. So through the purpose of serving, I developed the love for gardening. So gardening for me didn't start at growing my own food or growing my own herb medicine. It started from the love for plants, just flowers, observing my mother's passion for plants. Then it, the herbalism part of gardening came through, I said, uh, knowing that I had a passion to serve, a passion to help. My first experience of someone having an issue and, just remembering a remedy that could be used for that thing. That's where the whole development of herbalism and using herbs. Yeah, and having the dream of planting my own herb plants came along. For me, gardening is not just what you grow, it's how you grow it. Yeah, man. How you tend to the plants, how you care for the plants, understanding what gardening is from the foundation of knowing that without sunlight, the plants cannot survive. So, one of the things to know before doing gardening is that the plants need up to 6 to 8 hours sunlight per day. Plants need water. So if you don't have running water, you have to prepare how you're going to water the plants. Yeah? Gardening begin right at the soil. So you need to have soil. We're talking about soil. Soil is not just dirt. Soil have to have nutrients. Yeah, man. Especially if you have plants that need a lot of nutrients like pepper, you know. Yeah, that's it. This is where you connect deeply. You're from Jamaica, whether you are from overseas, Kingston, the country area, always remember your roots. So right here we are talking about modern life versus traditional life. I am a youth who grew up in the country area, Portland to be exact. I came to Kingston after leaving school. Yeah, man, as early as after leaving high school. Now, I have the option, yeah, to experience a traditional lifestyle. I have the experience to experience a modern lifestyle. But sometime or another, the roots of the traditional experience came back knocking in my ears. Don't forget your roots. Don't forget your roots. Don't forget your roots. So even though the experience in Kingston was a different experience from growing up as a country youth, there's always something that's saying don't forget your roots. I'm not the person who loved the whole heap of party, the whole heap of going out and stuff like that. So that allow me not to forget my roots. So ones and ones, if this is for you, yeah man, don't forget your roots. And if you feel like you're drifting from your roots, reconnect, connect. Sometimes I speak as Herbalawes. Sometimes I speak and I listen to myself. It sounds like an ancient griot with a message. That's Griot. Yeah, man. People in that time never have a cell phone, a camera to record or to send a message. But they used to send a message, yeah, through spiritual discernment, through, yeah, just connected through nature itself. But the message is the same. It's the same because it comes with the same observation, learning, and growing. So this is more than just a content. This is reflection. Yeah, this is introducing myself to the new subscribers, the new Roots family. Yeah, man. And as I said, gardening begin in the soil. Whether you plant flowers, herbs, vegetables, it begin in the soil. Soil is not dirt. Yeah, soil carry nutrients. Yeah? Another gardening tip for beginners, plants need at least 6 to 8 hours sun per day. Yeah? Planting herb plants like rosemary, even peppermint. Yeah man, sometimes people say them hard for grow. Yeah, just like the rosemary. Yeah, people say it hard for catch. But listen, plants need you to tend to them, to care for them. But sometimes we over care for the plants. Sometimes we need to just allow the plant to grow, like the rosemary and the peppermint. These plants love water, but not to be overwatered. Yeah, sometimes we overwater them and the root get rot. So, tend to the plant, care for the plant, but don't over care. Allow the plants to grow. Remember, the plants are in their environment, they're in their elements. So, allow them to grow. Yeah, man. Remember, this is introducing laws, herbal laws, where the love for herb and wisdom, adding them to the name laws. That's how herbal laws came about. Yeah, man. So if you are here, I give thanks, and as a Jamaican in our native language, would I say, yeah, man, wagwan. Yeah, I appreciate you watching this video. Yeah, man. This is a journey back to self. Yeah, man. Connect with self. Connect with your roots. Yeah, it is a lifestyle. Gardening is a lifestyle. Herbalawes.